What's up guys, this is it. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro are on their way. August the 10th is the day when we'll see the first flagship beast in history from Samsung without a headphone jack. It's 9 days before Google takes the license away from Huawei. Everything is looking perfect for Samsung. The Galaxy Note 10 Pro is looking stronger than ever. Yes, it will be stronger than the international version of the Galaxy S10 as well as the Qualcomm version of the S10, as revealed earlier in the benchmarks that the Note 10 family is indeed coming with the Exynos 9825 chip built on the next generation EUV 7nm process, which will actually be used for the Snapdragon 865 processor that is coming next year. According to the news from Korea, Qualcomm and Nvidia are the first customers for Samsung's efficient 7nm lithography process, which yields better results, and the Exynos 9825 is the first chip to use this new tech, and it's going to be inside of the Note 10 international version. On the other hand, the US and China Galaxy Note 10 models will still be coming with Snapdragon 855 chip, as we all know that the Snapdragon Galaxy S10 is better in performance as well as gaming compared to the Exynos 9820 version of the S10. So maybe Samsung is trying to step up their game with the Note 10 family. They want their chips to be more powerful than the Qualcomm version like it used to be back in the day. The Exynos 9825 could actually outperform the Snapdragon 855 chip. Now guys, this is it. Ice Universe has posted bunch of different leak stuff. We have this screen protector leak confirming the two Galaxy Note 10 models. We have the Note 10 and Note 10 Pro. With the help of this leak, we can see the design difference between the 6.3-inch Galaxy Note 10 and the 6.75-inch monster, the Note 10 Pro. Both are actually really big phones, but of course if you want the absolute mega monster, then the 6.75-inch Note 10 Pro is the one to go for. Furthermore, we also got the edge design of the Note 10. Doesn't look that curved, maybe a little bit more aggressive than the curve of the Galaxy S10. Looks pretty good. We got more protector leaks showing off the beautiful design. This tempered glass leak showing us the hole towards the middle, which is actually smaller than the ones we have seen on the S10 family, making this the best infinity hole design we have ever seen on a Samsung phone. Furthermore, some real life case leaks confirming everything that we already know. The death of headphone jack, Bixby Key's death, and the comeback of IR Blaster. Some people are disappointed, but this is indeed the future. Samsung is moving forward with it. The Galaxy M40 is a new mid-range smartphone which also came out with no headphone jack. Same with the A60, same with the Galaxy A8s, which is actually the first Samsung phone to come with no headphone jack. So Samsung is slowly moving this towards their mid-range phones as well for some reason. This is very quick indeed. They're letting people know that this change is indeed coming, but I'm pretty sure that the major budget smartphone, the major mid-range smartphones will still have the jack, but for sure next flagship phones of the Galaxy S and the Note series won't be having the headphone jack. This is indeed it. In these real life cases, you can also see the quad camera cutout on the back. Of course, this is exclusive for the Galaxy Note 10 Pro in vertical orientation. Looks pretty good. The force sensor is of course the TOF sensor, similar to what we have seen with the S10 Plus 5G. Overall, in my opinion, the design looks pretty good. The hole is small. The squarish look of it is on point. Even with the sacrifice of the jack, I still think it is the best phone, of course, with the stylus on the market. But no headphone jack, and most probably as of now, no 90Hz screen refresh rate or 120Hz, and also no 45 watts of fast charging. Guys, I got really optimistic when Samsung announced their 100 watts charging tech. It was expected for sure that Samsung will bring amazing fast charging speed to the Note 10 family. Even Ice Universe believed that, but it actually didn't happen. According to On Leaks and some other sources, the Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro will still have 25 watts of fast charging. Nothing crazy. It's still better than the Galaxy S10 family for sure, and it's definitely not a deal breaker at all, considering there's a company out there who doesn't even give a fast charger in the first place. But based on their 100 watts of fast charging tech that they just announced, I thought that Samsung could have bring some better fast charging speed than the 25 watts of fast charging that we're gonna get. A little bit disappointing, but not too much. Again, Samsung is just saving everything for the big boy Galaxy S11, the 10x zoom, the buttonless design, and the crazy fast charging speed. Everything has been saved for the next year's Galaxy S11, along with the major camera change. It could have been a very drastically different Note 10 model this year, but Samsung is saving some of the stuff for the Galaxy S11. Now, as for the pricing, the smaller Galaxy Note 10 is expected to be more affordable, but we don't know the pricing for that. It's definitely not going to be as cheap as the S10e, so it'll be around $800-900 range, whereas the Note 10 Pro model could start at a solid $1,100. For the base 128GB model, depending on 4G and 5G configuration, the prices could go up all the way up to whopping $1,700. Now, if you guys have a Galaxy Note 9, I have a good news for you. Samsung is bringing the night mode to the Note 9 family as well as they did for the Galaxy S9 Plus. So with the latest update, you actually have the night mode. The cameras are still majorly same, apart from the difference with the front camera and of course ultra wide angle lens. So if your kidneys don't allow you to buy this year's flagships, then buying the last year's flagship models are still not a bad choice in my opinion. All in all, this is it guys. Samsung has taken the bold step. There are now multiple Samsung phones out in the market with no headphone jack, and it's going to be implemented on the next generation of flagship phones as well. The beast with the best infinity hole design is indeed coming. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you guys going to go with the Galaxy Note 10 or the Note 10 Pro? And what do you guys think about the center infinity hole design? Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.